Okay, hello guys. Today we will unbox the cable connector from Ceepower. And this package right here is the 24 kilowatts, 630 ampere cable connectors that's designed for overseas markets. Let's check it out. Okay, here in this box, you can see first is the key part, the connector body, and also the cable adapter, the cable lug used to connect with the power cable, the shielded cap, and also the installation plug. You can also find other installation accessories in this box. Then we also have a material bill, can help you check everything out. So that's all for the 24 kilowatts, 630 ampere cable connector.